Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Telegram blocked channel iOS. To know how to fix or how to solve Telegram blocked channels iOS, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Sorry for that. Apps, app settings. And when you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Telegram and you will enter here. Then in this page you will click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache. We click clear cache and then you will go to click manage storage. And after all that, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.